Hello hacktubers and welcome back to my new hack. In today's video I will show you how you can make, if you don't have it, a T-joint for wires using electric connectors like this to get something like this. For those who don't want to wait, first I'm gonna show you how you can use this smart electric invention. Okay, and after showing how you can use it, in next minutes I will show how I make it. Okay, so this is the wire. For example, this is the face, and I want to attach two new wires without making a big mess. Okay, first thing, naked the wire. You can see that I easy remove the isolation from the wire, just like this. 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeters is enough. Next is to remove the isolation from these wires. 1. Just roll the wire on the knife and pull. That's it. Okay. Now the fun part. Here is my fast electric T-joint for wires, and you put like this, tight with these screws. Okay, little bit more. Okay, now it's good. And now the first wire goes here. And the second wire goes here. Okay, it's not professional, but it's made very good, and it's a good T-joint for copper wires and for electric stuff. You can see that the electric invention or T-joint that is soldered, it's pretty cool and doing an amazing job.